It is alleged that the smartphone will have a larger screen, and the price will be more affordable, unlike other smartphones of the company, from $399, 1K reports with reference. The network has photos and videos of the new iPhone SE2, which Apple is going to present in the first quarter of 2020. Judging by the photo, iPhone SE2 will look like a hybrid of iPhone 5 and iPhone 11. From the first, he received a metal case with flat faces. From the second, the camera on the back. The novelty will be equipped with a 5-inch screen manufactured by Sharp. The phone will only support 4G connection. It is estimated that the smartphone will go on sale at a price of $399. Obviously this is not the iPhone SE2, but iPhone 11 Pro with custom squared off sides. But I like this video because it gives us a good idea how